happen separately. Only because you think you're apart from nature, now today we have to do all those stupid things about environmental protection and all this nonsense. If you saw yourself as nature, which you are anyway, you're just a small outcrop of this earth, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes, right now, a little droplet that's come out from the planet which dances around like this and falls back once again. Isn't it so? So there is no question of you and nature, there's no such a thing. It's just you or just nature, whichever way you like to see it. If you just see it as just me, there's no problem. If you see it just nature, no problem. But that is not possible because you are there. Your existence is very individual, isn't it? Isn't it so? You cannot obliterate yourself. So, the best thing is to expand yourself. You cannot become a zero, so become infinite. That's the only choice you have. If you become 1, 2, 3, 4, you will struggle. Your life becomes struggle. If you become 1, 2, 3, 4, you are an endless counting. You become a zero, it's fine. You become infinite, it's fine. In between is suffering. Which way shall we go? Now, you don't have to imitate nature, I'm saying. If you find your original nature, you will be fine. If you want to find your original nature, everything in whatever you call as nature is constantly responding to everything else. Is that so? Is that so? The tree exhales, you inhale, you exhale, they inhale. Is it happening all the time? Isn't this responding? But you're doing it unconsciously. Do it consciously and see, just your existence becomes so joyful. Just being alive here can become a tremendously blissful experience if you just bring awareness or consciousness to the whole process of life. Then what you do is just a question of what's needed around you. It is no more about you. Your action will be no more about you if your existence becomes blissful. Right now your action is about you because your action is in pursuit of happiness. Yes? Because your action is in pursuit of happiness, action has become so important for you. If you are blissful by your own nature, what would you do? You could just sit here and do nothing. But if something is needed, you would do. That's how life should be, isn't it? Yes? That's how life should be, isn't it? If you're complete, if you're a whole being by your own nature, there's no need to do anything. But if something needs to be done, you have no hesitation at all about it.